Okay, I've been running the engine for over 30 minutes now. It doesn't seem to be shaking as much as it did. See that? I don't see any smoke coming from here anymore, like near the timing belt, so hopefully this is a good sign. I just need info. If you guys know, please. So again, it's been over 30 minutes. Okay, and there's no dash lights. Okay, there's no dash lights. That's indicating that the engine, you know, needs to be checked. So I don't know.